In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice and receive payments in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process from creating the invoice to choosing how you want to get paid, and then sending it off to your customer. By the end, you'll feel confident making a clean, professional invoice that's easy for your customer to pay. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to the New button at the top right. From the menu, select Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form. Begin by choosing the customer. If they're already in your list, select their name. If they're new, you can add them on the spot. Double-check the customer's email so the invoice goes to the right place, and verify any address details if you plan to include shipping. Take a moment to review the invoice date, payment terms, and due date. QuickBooks will auto-generate an invoice number, which you can leave as is for consistent record keeping. You can also add a short message or memo to clarify what the invoice covers so there's no confusion later. Next, add the products or services. Choose each item from your product and service list, then confirm the quantity, rate, and any applicable sales tax. If you don't see an item you need, you can create it quickly during this step. Use the description to add specifics your customer will appreciate, such as the service period or a brief summary of work completed. If you offer discounts or need to include shipping or handling, add those lines now so the totals are accurate before you send. In the top right, click Manage to review your payment options. Here, you'll see settings that allow customers to pay online. If you want to accept payments directly through QuickBooks, you'll need to set up QuickBooks Payments. Follow the prompts to complete that setup and choose which methods you'll accept, like bank transfer or card payments. Keep in mind, there may be processing fees and deposit timelines, which QuickBooks will outline. If you prefer not to use QuickBooks Payments, you can still get paid using other methods. In that case, include clear payment instructions in the invoice message so the customer knows exactly how to pay you. When everything looks good, click Review and Send. Preview the invoice, confirm the totals, and make sure the email subject and message are clear and professional. Then send it to your customer. That's all. Your invoice is on its way, and you're ready to get paid.